Excuse me, we're looking for a very dangerous man. His name is Benjamin Scott, and his girlfriend lives on this street. Do you know him? Do you know where he is?
Is he short?
Yes. He is not very tall. He's 5 feet 7 inches.
Does he have a beard?
Yes, he has a long beard. He never shaves it because his girlfriend loves men with beards.
Does he have long blonde hair?
Yes, his hair is long and blonde. His beard is blonde too.
Are his eyes different colours?
Yes, one of his eyes is green or blue. I think it's green. And the other eye is brown. So, have you seen this man?
Let me think. Is he wearing glasses?
Yes, he only needs them for reading, but he wears them all the time.
Are his glasses white?
Yes, exactly. They're white.
Is he wearing a red hat?
Yes, he always wears hats. He lives next to the big hat shop on St. Joseph Street and buys hats there very often. He has a very large collection of hats. And red is his favourite colour. So probably he is wearing a red hat today.
Is he wearing a black jacket?
Yes, he always wears a black leather jacket.
Does he have a dog with him?
Yes, he does.
Is the dog big and white with brown spots?
Yes, he always takes that dog with him. He loves that dog more than he loves his girlfriend. So, have you seen this man? Do you know where he is?
No, sorry. I've never seen this man. I have no idea who he is.